What's up, guys? Welcome. My name is Seth. I'm with Carolina Barn Builders, and I thought we would do a quick walkthrough of the 4 A-frames we touched on in a previous video. If you haven't seen that, check it out. We go over the step-by-step process of our build that we got coming up. So starting here with our 16 by 16 A-frame, I'm going to walk you through that real quick. So this guy's not much to show here. It's a really small A-frame. You could definitely live in this. I think I would. You could throw a loft up top. It would be really tight, but doable. If you're on a budget and you want to live in the forest somewhere, definitely doable. So that's the 16 by 16. We're going to be building this guy very soon. In fact, we're going to be building all these except the 24 by 24, which is right here. This is a little step up from the 16 by 16. You have your living room and kitchen downstairs, and you got a nice little bedroom upstairs in the loft. Let's see if we can get up there. Oh yeah, here we go. Nice little triangle window with the loft overlooking the loft there. So you can see the TNG underneath. You got all the purlins right there. You'll see all the wood, all the joinery, all the pegs, which you really can't see in this video, but they will be there. All right, let's go to this build, which we got coming up here shortly. Hopefully we can do some sneak peeks of that when we start. So this client is going to be using this as an Airbnb, and they wanted the kitchen. They have the second entrance here, which is going to be like the front entrance. So the entrance is into the kitchen, which we have a little bump out here on the right hand side. And then you have a pantry right here. Nice little pantry, kitchen, living room, and then you got a guest bathroom right here. And then if I can get back in here, we have a bedroom. There we go. All right, we got a little closet, little bedroom, and then we got the bathroom over here. This is like the master bath. Sink, bathtub, and then the shower. This little blue thing right here is the shower. All right. See if I can get upstairs here. Good stuff. Here we go. It's like playing a bad video game. Oh man, we're almost there. All right, we made it. Here we go. So yeah, you could turn this whole loft into a bedroom. They wanted the wall right there, and I think they're going to do some lounge chairs here. Have this as like a little reading nook. But then you got your bedroom or your second bedroom back here. Nice big windows, little closet. This is pretty cool. This is a very good size A-frame. I personally really like this one. And last but not least, we got the monster. So this is like a 32 by 48. So it's like one whole extra bent of the one I just showed you. So if you can kind of see with the bends I touched on in the previous video, this is a bent right here. That's a bent. That's a bent. Right? And that's a bay. So this is basically one whole bay, bigger than the last one. So as you can see, we got a lot more room here. Nice, massive kitchen. This is the back door. And this whole, whoa. This whole bedroom over here on the side, which I'll walk through in a minute, is actually going to be sitting on the side of a cliff. So that's going to be cool. That's going to be pretty fun. Alright, let's get back in here. I'll show you the master bedroom. I really like this window right here. This is cool. Alright, so this is a master bedroom, and this is essentially the 24 by 24 A-frame. This is kind of a unique setup. So the master bed, or the bed, would go right here on this wall, and the master bathroom is right behind it. So there's no doors to get into the bathroom. You have your his and hers toilet back here, the shower in the middle, and the sink's on the other side of the wall right there. Kind of different. Walk-in closet over here. Nice big walk-in closet. And nice big patio. It's going to be overlooking the mountain range. Alright, let's go check out the loft. So looks like we got a little bathroom right here. And nice big loft area up here. And that's it. There is another room back here, but for some reason it won't let me back there. So I'll have to skip that. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for checking it out. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. Please like, keep an eye open. We got a lot of builds coming up, and I'm going to try to show as much as possible. Thanks for watching.